So today is gonna be a day full of adventure because today we are going to a water park, to an adventure water park. This water park is around 2 hours away from our house and it has loads of different facilities like kayak, rafting, wave pool and much more. Now when you think about the UAE, you imagine that there are deserts and sand dunes everywhere, but it's not the case. But here, in this area where we are passing through, this place is full of sand dunes. This is not a usual sight in most part of the UAE. I'm so in love with sand dunes and mountains that I want to climb to the top. That mountain you see on the distance, that is Jabal Hafid. It's a famous landmark in Al Ain and our destination is somewhere near it. Wow, what a beautiful sight it is. This thing seems interesting.
Very dangerous to our health.
क्या बात है?
Yeah. Because it's made of
Plus, it's made up of?
tires. और tire जिस material से बनता है बहुत toxic.
Behind me, you can see an adventure park themed something, and this is also situated at Goesh, Karachi, Pakistan. And I have done this course once upon a time, but it has unfortunately closed in Karachi. Now let's see if they allow us to go over here, so we'll try to do so, but I don't know, it seems closed. So here we are going to wear our jackets, life jackets and helmet.
So much fun, baby.
I am in my gear now, ready to get seated in the kayak. Okay, so we are on our kayak. I don't know what the pronunciation is, but now we are going up. We are going up, and now I don't know what's on the other side. There's the other side, I can't see it. So we are heading up and we are entering another pool in which our kayak will go, and then there's a stream that's gonna take us down. There are two different channels, a blue channel and a green channel, and we are gonna have 2 rounds of this kayak, and it's our wish whichever we would like to take. I guess the green one is more difficult, so I'm gonna go in the green one. Sarim, let's go in the green one, okay? In the green one. I'll tell you how to pedal. Hold it this way. No. No. The other way. See. See, this flat part should face towards you. No. Yes, that is correct. Yes. No, that is not correct. Turn it back. Now you are holding it. You are holding it this way. Hold it like this. Yes. Now let's go to the green one. So now we are in the kayak. We are in the green. It's difficult to hold the GoPro and record at the same time. We're in the green channel. We'll take the blue channel in the next one. The blue one is more more, you should say, adventurous. I won't say dangerous, but it's more adventurous. And yeah, this channel seems quite slow and quite, I mean, it's not really adventurous. Now we're going down. Just watch us going down over here. And I guess here I've got all wet. The water has flown up on me. I guess this is the on my parallel. The blue channel is going on, and I'll take that channel in the next round. So this is Sarim, my cousin. Not really my cousin, but my cousin's son. And it took a lot of time in making Sarim get out from that initial pool. And I guess the others would be on their second round by now. So let's see, let's go more ahead. So in our initial briefing, our instructor taught us that when you have to go to the left, right, like I have to go there, I have to pedal backwards my right pedal. When I have to go right, I gotta pedal the right pedal. And if we have to go straight, so we have to balance our pedals from left to right. See, when I have to go right, I'll pedal the left one. When I have to go left, I have to pedal the right one. See? I'm really sorry. In the last round, I guess I mistakenly made the video on the wide angle. Now I have switched to the super wide angle, and now I guess you're gonna have more fun, more adventure. So this ahead of me, this mountain ahead of me, this is a very small version of it, but this is a part of the bigger mountain range that is called Jabal Hafid, and many people come to Al Ain, Abu Dhabi to visit this point. In my last visit around 4 years ago, I had gone to that point. I'm not gonna go there again, but you guys can see it. This is how it is. And before going, please read the pond safety rules. And we're gonna go. So last time we went on the green stream. Now we are gonna go on the blue channel. So if you take a closer look, this is the green channel, that is the blue one, and this is the place probably from where all the water is coming up here. Oh, I'm gonna go on the green channel. I'll talk to you later. I gotta go in the blue one. I've made it to the blue channel now. I'm entering the blue channel. Here I am. I have entered the blue channel. Let's see where it goes. I'll talk to you later. It's very difficult holding the camera and rowing at the same time. Yes, it surely was. It surely was a big jump. It surely was a big jump. It was a bit more adventurous. But well, I think it should have been a bit more. Not a bit more, but a lot more, I should say. It was more than this one, but it should have been much more. So this is gonna be an adventure. This seems quite more steep. This is quite steeper. Oh, I'm going down. When I came down this stream, I saw a pedal. I saw a pedal over here, and then I saw that a man was drowning. Then I tried to grab that pedal up. I grabbed it, but unfortunately my kayak started going backwards, and then after that my kayak But that is my kayak over there, and then I was holding this camera as well, and I was holding two rowing pedals, and after that I also fell down in the water eventually. There's my kayak. That guy is taking it back over here, I guess. This was the guy who fell down. This is my kayak coming back. I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna go back in the water. I am not going to record it any further. I'm gonna keep my GoPro inside back again. So I'm back in the water and it doesn't seem so dangerous now. That was really dangerous, to be honest. And if I was not wearing my life jacket, I would have drowned. I did not expect that. I thought that it's not really deep, but it surely was. There's another slope coming ahead, and I am saved this time. And you know, if I would not be holding my GoPro camera on the way, I would have saved that man as well, and obviously I wouldn't have fallen myself. Okay, now as you know, the battery timing of my GoPro is a bit low. Okay, I'm coming. My cousin, who is also my brother-in-law, he's calling me. I guess we are going for rafting now, so I gotta go. I'll see you guys at the rafting point. Maybe in another video, maybe in the same video. Keep following, keep subscribe to check out more adventures over here.
Okay. When I say forward paddle, just lean your body.
So we're having some instructions over here.
अभी हमको उधर जाना? उधर जाना?
So now we have been seated in the raft. Now we're gonna go forward.
हम सब हम सिर्फ आप नहीं करेगा. पूरा लोग गिर सकता है. इसलिए पैनिक हो जाएगा तो ज़्यादा पैनिक हो जाएगा तो आप पानी ज़्यादा पी लेंगे. ओके. पैनिक मत होना. Don't panic too much. If you panic more, you will drink lots of water. Okay, so don't panic. पानी कम हो जाएगा उधर है. Look at me. If you in case fall out from the raft, first of all, don't panic.
अगर गिर गए तो बता रहे हैं क्या करना है.
Immediately go on your back like this. When you fall out from the raft.
When you fall down.
Alright. Immediately go on your back. Don't try to swim into the channel because our channel is quite shallow.
मिला सेफ है कुछ नहीं होगा. गिर भी गए तो भी सेफ है. अंकल गिरे बच के जिंदा वापस आ गए. Get back up to your level. Forward. So too many boats came on this. Too many boats came on to this thing, whatever this is called. I don't remember the name. Some belt. So that's why it couldn't go forward. It couldn't pull us all up together. So that is why we got out of our boat. This is our second round. We got out of the boat. Now this is going when these two rafts will go off this lift, then we will get back in. It was so adventurous that our instructor, he fell off our raft. He fell off our boat, and then we had to stop the boat, and then when he got back in, then we sat down. Then another niece of mine, Minhal, she was really scared. She was crying, so we had to get her off after our first round. This is our second round, and now I'm gonna go back in the boat. कुछ बोलना है तो बोल दो.
नहीं कुछ नहीं बोलना. बस बनाओ वीडियो.
कुछ नहीं बोलना, बोलती बंद हुई हमारी.
So right now we are at Al Ain's marketplace. This is a cheaper version, a more economical version of the UAE, and we went to Karama Center. You can't see it in the video right now, but first we went to that Karama Center. Then we went over here. So shopping is going on right now. I have bought a few stuff, and right now I am in search of Star Cola. Now what is Star Cola? Star Cola is a cola like Coca-Cola or Pepsi, but it's of a different brand because I am boycotting Israeli products. That is why I am in search of Star Cola, and I did go to a shop a few minutes ago, but they did not have one. We were at a different place at Al Ain. Now we are at a different one. Now let's see if I'm able to find it. The largest mosque in the UAE is situated in Abu Dhabi city, which is known as the famous Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque. However, this in front of us is the second largest mosque of the UAE, which is situated in Al Ain. So have a look how huge it is and how beautiful it surely is. So this is the highway, and this is Ganok pumping station, fuel station. And here there is a market, and over here there is a washroom. My nephew over there, he had to go to the washroom, so that's why we have stopped here. There's this football stadium over here where the boys are playing football in their kanduras. We are on the way back to Abu Dhabi, and we are coming from Al Ain. Abu Dhabi is the Emirates, whereas there are many different regions in one emirate. So in the emirate of Abu Dhabi, there's Abu Dhabi region, there's Al Dhafra region, and there's Al Ain region, and many more. Okay, now so this is time to end this video. Now we are on the way home. As you can see, we have been seated in the car, and I would like to end the video over here. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel.